Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Roblox. This version of the app is no longer available in your region. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and search for Roblox. And now click on the Roblox, scroll down. Now click on the storage, clear cache, clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Camera allow, contacts allow, microphone allow, notifications enable. And now click on the pause stops. Okay, go back. Now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Go to Play Store, search for Roblox and click on the Roblox. Now check your update Roblox. My Roblox already updated. And last, open your Roblox. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.